Hello, welcome back to another lesson in Vedic astrology. As in many other aspects of our life, there are certain things that you don't have to go to an expert each time. For example, a simple cut you all have to buy is a band-aid and do it yourself, get an ointment which is probably antibiotic, and then just you can take care of yourself. Small problems with your machines, your vehicle, similar things with your computer. There's so many things that you actually can do it all by yourself without having to reach out to an expert. And in the same way, in astrology also, we have some similar situations where you need to know about what's happening. So one such aspect of astrology is the simple transit results, and it is so simple that according to me, even a second standard student can understand what is the result of transit. So today I'm going to talk to you on how to understand Jupiter transit all by yourself. For that, first you need to know that Jupiter, whenever it comes into the second house from your moon, your fifth house from your moon sign, and the 7th or the 9th or the 11th from your moon sign, wherever your moon is in your horoscope, when Jupiter enters these houses, then you should expect good things to happen. Suppose Jupiter is over here. Okay, right now it is over here. So for whom Jupiter is favorable during this transit? We'll start from the first sign, which is Mesha or Aries. So you can see here Aries or Mesha, where if your moon is over here, then you will be called an Aries moon sign person or a Mesha Rasi moon sign. And now you know that Jupiter is in your third house. So you count from here 1, 2, 3, and third is a bad number for Jupiter to be in. So that's why I marked it in red ink. For Taurus or Rishabha Rasi people, Jupiter is in the second house. Count from here 1 and 2. So you can write here 2 is the auspicious sign. 2 is the auspicious place. The second house from your moon sign is auspicious for Jupiter transit. That's why I've written it as in green 2. And if your moon sign is Mithuna Rashi or Gemini moon sign, then Jupiter is right on your moon sign, which is unfavorable. It is called a Janma Guru, and it is capable of moving you out of a place under very high stress. So all these results, I think you should learn it from other articles or blogs on the internet. But right now in this video, I'm going to only talk to you about how to do it, understand whether Jupiter is good or bad during the current transit. If your moon sign is Cancer or Karkataka Janma Rashi, then Jupiter is in your 12th house. You count from here 1, 2, 3, and then you reach, this is the 12th house where Jupiter is currently placed in, and Jupiter is not good in the 12th. For all those people who are born with the moon sign Leo or Simha Janma Rashi, then Jupiter is in the 11th, and therefore the 11th is a good place. So you count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, you will reach here, which is the 11th house, and 11th is a very good place. That's why I've done it in green. For all those who are born in Virgo moon sign or Kanya Rashi, Jupiter is in the 10th house. Count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, like you will reach here 10, and 10 is a bad house for Jupiter transit. For all those people who are born in Libra or Tula Rashi, where the moon is over here, Jupiter is in the 9th house. You can count from here, and this is the 9th house, and that is a very good house. So right here as 9. So here, this is Scorpio or Vrishika Rasi. All those people who have moon over here, count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this will be the 8th house, and the 8th house is a bad transit of Jupiter. This is Sagittarius or Dhanush Rashi people. They'll have their moon over here in this part of the horoscope, and from here you count. Jupiter is in the 7th, and 7th is a very good house. If you have moon over here, you will be called as a Capricorn moon sign person or a Makara Rasi person, and if you count from here, Jupiter is in the 6th, and it is not a good house. If your moon is over here, then you will be termed as a Kumbha Rashi person or Aquarius moon sign. You count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it is a very good house. Okay. So the good houses are 2, 5, 7, 9 and 11. It is as simple as that. And this is the last one. This is Meena Rashi or Pisces moon sign. You count from your 1, 2, 3, 4 and it is not here, and therefore it is negative. So this is the way you do it, but there is a small additional information that I wish to give here. If you want to move on to a higher level of understanding of Jupiter transit, then start using this information also. Note down these numbers. Now these houses are called obstructive houses. Let's do an example. For example, for Taurus people, if Jupiter is in the second, it is very good, but it can get blocked or obstructed by another planet which is going through the 12th from the moon sign. So for example, if this is your moon sign and you had Jupiter here, you may think that this year is very good, but what may have happened is some other planet, for example Saturn, might be occupying the 12th from your moon sign, which is over here, in which case you will not get the good results of Jupiter being in the second house. That is the meaning of this. So you will not get the good results expected of the transit of the Jupiter over your 5th house if at the same time in your 4th there is a planet. So the same way the 7th house gets obstructed when when a planet is in the 3rd house from your moon sign. So the transit of Jupiter over the 9th house will be ineffective during times when the 10th house from your moon sign is occupied by any planet. And in the same way, if you have Jupiter moving in the 11th house, then watch out whenever planets are in the 8th house during that time interval, you will not get the good results of the 11th house.